Well, I don't know how to frame this picture because we've got the Binatone Breakerphone here. So you've got the main unit there. I think we'll run it on its external speaker. We don't normally put them on external speaker, but we'll do at this moment. So we'll just see whether we can get Mr. Chippie, and then we'll go on to the headset.
Good question.
So there we go. Binatone Breakerphone, internal external speaker, up down, public address, which niftily goes into PA on its display like that when it's activated, on and off, volume squelch and mic gain. Mic gain really is for when you're using the PA mode. So this is a set, we've replaced the PTT switch with a lot of fiddling about. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receive you loud and clear.
Roger, excellent.
Right, we're just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. Now we're going to go to internal speaker. So it's just this little tiny speaker which really is supposed to have to your ear. So you'll find the volume quite low. Just set that. It's 0.1 of a watt. Probably so you don't blow your eardrums out. See whether we can hear it this way. Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. Well, after the next over, we'll switch it back to external because it's ridiculous us listening to it over this handset speaker, which is just intended for your own personal listening. Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So now we'll switch back to external and drop the volume somewhat.
Tango 21, Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, and this radio is doing 3.2 watts. Over.
Yep, roger that.
This is a Binatone Breakerphone, one that looks like a telephone handset.
Yep, it's fine. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. I don't like having these to an external speaker because it's an advantage over other sets then.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
You're turning, you're passing the Kelby turn, Roger. I heard
Sorry,
that.
say again.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Yeah, roger that.
I thought he said, I've got you at the COVID turn. I just had my second jab today. I must have it on my mind.
Right, we're now passing the Grayley's turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayley's turn. Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Roger that.
1010, Rossby Level Crossing, also known as Grayley's Level Crossing. Well, that worked fine. It's doing 3.2 watts, but I mean that's 3.2 watts on my set. If we'd have put that on the Zytargia meter, it would have probably been nearer 4.8 or 5. So remember our test set's selective. These are not the most outstanding receivers in the world as far as bleed over goes. They haven't got the most fantastic squelch in the world either. But the point is, we've just done that test 6 miles the wrong side of a hill on our standard difficult terrain test route, and it works absolutely fine. So they were an expensive set at the time, it's £109, and they're certainly a novelty set, and if you're a collector of UK CB radios, you have to have a Binatone Breakerphone because they are one of a kind. So we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like.
Tango 21 testing the Binatone Breakerphone from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you for watching.